Give me a recommendation for a robot vacuum. I despise this Shark robot vacuum cleaner application. The startup time, as you can see, every time is the same. Takes forever. If you have any notifications, they'll pop up. You have to exit out of every single one just to start using the application. And sometimes you'll have like 20 of those right in a row. I'm sick of giving my data away to big companies. Robot vacuums in particular are a little bit concerning because they map your environment, and this one also has a camera on it. I was gifted this robot vacuum and I set it up with the warranty and all that stuff with the account and got logged in. But normally I have this thing blocked from the network so that it can't, phone home. There is no way to utilize this application with the Shark Clean robot vacuum without being logged into an account. And just to add insult to injury, the app sucks. I decided to look and see if there's any sort of a way that I can do offline communication with this thing, and I found this Python library that somebody built. It uses a implementation of the Shark's API, cloud API. I think they call it Isla is what it's called for Shark. And I don't actually know if it's offline or not. Like, I'm not sure how they did it. I haven't had time to dig into it, but I'm going to check this out because I would really like to take advantage of like the mapping features and being able to tell this thing to go through and clean a certain room in a certain time or any of those deals. But I don't want this fucking thing connected to the network, Like, dude, I am sick of sharing my data with these huge companies. And at this point, I think that there needs to be laws put in place in order to give consumers protection from this type of stuff. My wife and I are talking about getting a different robot vacuum, one that has like a mopping feature on it too. And I don't think that the next one is going to be a Shark, which sucks because I really like Shark's hardware. Like I love the vacuum cleaner that I have. That thing's robust. They make like good hardware, but this robot vacuum, having to share my data, having to have an account in order to use the application with the robot that I bought, that I own. And just, like I said, insult to injury because the app sucks. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to get a Shark robot.